Good bit of timing. Even got the trains turned up. Brilliant. Got my coconut drink as well. Look at that, lovely. About 25 pence that is, 20 pence. I wonder what the old POWs be thinking now.